Good morning, everyone. Tuesday, February 27th, I believe, 2024. I did a little work on my house today. So I went over and bought Halo Retrofit LED kit. So I need this because I got a light I'm getting ready to show you in here. That's just a little bit too dark. I don't like the orangey look. And then this one here, if you'll see, you can select color changing, up to 5,000 degrees Kelvin. So 5,000 degrees Kelvin is the one I really like. It's a pure white light. It's very bright. It makes it very easy to work. Like, it gives you a good work area and work surface like that. So we're going to do that today. We're going to change it. I only have one. It's in a little hallway going from my master bedroom over to my master bathroom. So we're going to change that out, see if we can brighten up that hallway. I'll link in the description to where you can pick up these Halo lights. They're pretty cheap. This one here was $14.98. I think you can get them at Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I'll put it on there. It doesn't cost you anything. If you decide to buy them, you can buy them there and have them shipped to your house. So I'll put some links down in the description for you there. Okay, let's go get it, man. Let's put a light in. So when you open up the light kit, it's very simple. There's not much in there at all. So when we open it up, we're going to have the light baffle. Okay, so there's the light baffle. It's very nice white ring. It covers everything. And on the back here, you'll notice that there's a selector switch. You can go from 2700 Kelvin all the way to 5000 Kelvin. Now, I like 5000 Kelvin personally. So I'm going to slide the switch to 5000. And also in here, in the box, is your adapter. So this end's going to screw into where the light bulb goes. It'll leave your pigtail hanging down. You just plug it in, put it up into the existing recessed light can, and you are done. It is a very quick, very easy job. You don't need an electrician. Just turn your switch off, screw it in. It's like changing a light bulb. So these are your two parts. This is all you need. So here we go. Let's go put this thing in. It's coming in from my master bedroom into my master bath. I have this little hallway, and it's pretty dark. On the left, I have a walk-in closet, and on the right, just a regular closet. The one on the right has no light in it. The one on the left does have a light. But I have a recessed light here, and when you turn the light on, you'll notice it's like an orange, the old school style light. And it just doesn't put off that much light. So we're going to change this out and put in a retrofit LED pancake light, which will also make it look a lot better. So here we go. Okay, walking over to the bedroom. I got my audience waiting on the video to start. Say hi, Bruce Wayne. Bruce Wayne, say hi. These are my buddies. These are my boys. They keep me honest. Murray's laying on the bed. He just wants to watch what's going on. What do you think, Murray? Watching everything going on? He's not too happy with the camera. So here we go. Got my ladder set up. This is the ladder that I fell on. That was in my fall video. And here is the light that we're going to change. Wow, it's dusty up here. Holy crap. Well, now I know where I need to clean. Okay, let's get the recessed light up here, as you can see. And all you do is reach up, get your fingers under the ring, and just pull the beauty ring down. And paper falls out on your head. So you have two little springs in there. You just pinch them together and get them off the notches, and the whole light will come right down. Now this one is an older style. So as you can see, it has the clip-in light socket on the back. And as you notice, the light is off. It's not on, so there's no power coming up here. Squeeze the two tabs in. And pop out the light fixture. Now you got to unscrew the light bulb. Midville School for the Gifted. Unscrew the light bulb, and now you have the socket that's just left hanging out. And then this becomes trash. Old school, dingy, yellow, been up there for many, many years. So now we get it off of that. So as you can see, there's nothing much up in there, just the two wires coming down to the socket. And then your socket just takes a regular screw-in bulb. It keeps it going. Okay, so now we're going to take our pigtail. Just going to screw the pigtail in. You don't have to over tighten, just a little bit, just snug it up. There's no reason to over tighten it. And then as you can see, you have your two wings here that you pinch together that go into the slots that are up in the light. So let me see if I can zoom in on the slots there. So you have these two slots right here. When you pinch the two wires together, one goes on the left, one goes on the right, and then that will hold the light. You just push it up in there, and then it's a friction fit, so you have them on each side, as you can see. So you have them here, and they're on each side of the light. So you have the two wires on each side of the light. Pinch those together, slide them up in there, and then that's what holds the light in place when you push it up. Okay, so we're going to take our pigtail clip, and you can't really mess it up. So there's 3 slots on the bottom, 1 slot on the top. You just line those up, slide it in. It goes in nice and tight. Pinch. I usually put one side in first and get it ready to go. And then what I can do is I can make sure that I push my light socket up, put the second one in. Right now, the light's there, it's just hanging. Before I push it up in there, I want to do a test. So I'm going to go down, I'm going to turn on the light switch. Nice and bright white. Turn the light switch back off. Making sure that my seal ring is on the back, and I just push it up in there. Just making sure that everything stays nice and even. No wires in the way. Push it up, makes a nice tight fit. And you have a nice recessed light. We'll turn it on one more time and let you guys see how nice and bright it is. And it's very clean, very white light. Very easy, simple job for you to do. Okay guys, back over by the computer. Just want to let you guys know, I just looked this up on Amazon. The same exact light kit is $12.97, 1-day delivery. You can't beat that. I mean, that's just such a great price. I think I paid $14.98 for this at Lowe's yesterday. So that's $2 cheaper. if you're going to make an order from Amazon anyhow. You know, get it for free delivery. So like I said, I'm an Amazon affiliate, so if you do buy it from it, I get a 15-cent commission for you buying it, which goes towards just helping grow the channel, buying equipment, things like that. So I appreciate it if you want to use my link. If not, no big deal, run to Lowe's. Sometimes you catch them on sale at Lowe's, and you know, they may have like a 6-pack of these, which would be a lot cheaper. I've bought that when I've done big remodels where I've had to change like, you know, 15, 20 lights. You try to buy a contractor pack, and sometimes you get those cheaper at Lowe's or Home Depot. I like the Halo brand. Halo seems to be they're just good. I mean, they're very quality. It's just like using electrical tools. I like Klein electrical tools, you know, because they're just very quality tools. And once you find something that works, I have a tendency to stay with it. So anyhow, I'll get this video edited and get it up for you guys. Man, I really appreciate everybody hanging around my channel, coming to watch my videos, getting back into this. I've got to tell you, I'm doing a lot better since I got back and started my YouTube channel. It's sort of got a purpose again, it seems like, after so many months of just languishing around, not doing anything. You saw my boys in the video earlier. Yeah, them dogs are everything to me. And you guys, you know, if you got dogs or you got pets, you know they're just like your family. And they are characters. Boy, Bruce Wayne is just the biggest character in the world. Murray, a little bit more chill in the house, but outside he's a terrorist. So got to just keep him on a leash and watch him. But it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Your dogs are your boys. So listen, guys, man, I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm going to be putting up a lot more videos. I got some great reviews getting ready to come up. So some Milwaukee hammer drill kit, Milwaukee trim router, compact router that I used in the door video that you guys might have saw earlier. So I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of reviews. I got a bunch of tools, and people always asking me questions about what's good and what's not. So I'll get those up for you as well. So listen, man, have a great, beautiful day today. Thank you again for coming by. I can't say thank you guys enough. I know sometimes I say it too much. My daughter yells at me for that. But anyhow, you guys just have a spectacular freaking day.